I wanna swim away but don't know how. Sometimes it feels just like I'm falling in the ocean. Let the waves up and take me down. Let the hurricane set in motion, yeah. Let the rain of what I feel right now come down. Let the rain come down. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe because it helps more people see the video and it makes my day. So I appreciate you guys all watching this channel and watching this video and everything. Thanks for your support. This is a song that was requested, so if you guys have requests, please let me know in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. All right, so let's get into it. The song is in standard tuning and it does not have a capo on it. There's only a handful of chords you're going to use. One thing too, by the way, do you guys hate when you watch like YouTube channels and people are doing like promotions and stuff all the time? I get so sick of that. That does a body good. Anyway, I'll never do those. So anyway, all right, so let's get into this song. So you're basically going to use these chords, all right? Now you can throw in other stuff I've seen, but you don't have to. This is the easy way to play it. I'm going to show you where the chords go, the chord progression, and then I'm going to show you a couple different strumming patterns for it, okay? So, because there's different ways to strum this song, especially if you're just playing it by yourself. So the chords that you are going to need. All right, let's get started on this thing. So first of all, you're going to start with C. All right, just traditional old C. You can already hear it, right? You can hear it in the song. Okay, then you're going to do A minor. That's a super easy transition because you keep your pointer finger on and move those two fingers. There's A minor for you, right? All right, then what you're going to do next is F. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. So, unless I'm totally missing something, but I don't believe I am. Those are the three chords you're going to use. Now, I'm going to walk you through how you do the strumming and everything for it. So you're going to start the song. I'm just a normal boy that sank when I fell overboard. My ship will leave the country, but I'd rather swim ashore without a life. Okay, so what you're going to do, you could do it a couple different ways. For the first verse, you could just do single strums. All right, so you could do C. I'm just a normal, so C right before I'm. But you could also do single strums throughout it. So you could do, I'm just a normal boy that sank. So you could do it like with every new line. That sank when I fell overboard, my ship. So my ship, you do it again on C. My ship will leave the country, but I'd rather, you do it again. I'd rather swim ashore without a life. So life vest, you do A minor, and then you could just keep doing that. So without a life vest, I'd be stuck again. Wish I was much more masculine. Maybe then I could learn to swim like 14 miles away. And then you would do F. Now floating up and down, I spin, colliding into sound like whales beneath me diving down. I'm sinking to the bottom of my everything that freaks me out. See, then you go back to C. So you could do that. You could also even just do a single strum, all right? And just do, I'm just a normal boy that sank when I fell overboard. My ship will leave the country, but I'd rather swim ashore. Okay, so you could do that. I actually think that's probably the best way to do it. Is the first verse, you just do a single strum, all right? And then when you do the second verse, I would do the single strums, but I would do it like every line. Just like that. So I would do that for the second chorus. That way the song will build more. Now when you do the chorus, there's a couple different things you can do. All right, so for the first chorus, this is how I would do it. I would do down, down, up. So sorry, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up. I would do that for the first chorus, and you're just gonna do it about that fast. Okay, now you don't have to do it this way, but that's how I would do it. And then when you do the second chorus, I would play it differently. I would do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So just to make it a little easier, let's try it slower. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. So you could do it that way. I would do that. So that, again, so that's building. The first chorus I would just play the slower one. The second chorus I would play the faster one. And then when you get to the bridge, I would actually just do. I would do this for the third verse. Just palm mute it. So you can put this part of your hand as close as you can to down here, right? Not on that, but right in front of it, and then pluck the bass notes. Just like that. Okay, so that's how I would do it. So let me walk you through the chorus. Oh, and then right before the chorus as well. So you're gonna do everything that freaks me out. The lighthouse beam was just run out. I'm cold as cold can be. All right. And then right before you go to I want to swim away but don't know how. So what you're gonna do is I think it's best if you touch all the strings like that. You're not pushing them down, but you're touching them. All right. So you're muting them. You hear that? So then it goes. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay. And you're gonna do. I wanna swim away but don't know how. Okay, so that's how you would do the first one. So you're gonna do C right before I wanna swim away but don't know how. Sometimes I feel just like I'm falling in the ocean. So then you do A minor right after ocean. Let the waves up and take me down. Let the hurricane set in motion, yeah. So on yeah, you're gonna do F. Let the rain of what I feel right now come down. Yeah, let the rain come down. So when you do that down, let the rain come down, then you're gonna do C. Down. And you're just gonna keep playing C for a little bit until you go to the second verse. Coast Guard, I keep looking for direction. Okay, and then you're gonna go into it. All right, now the bridge part where I was saying you just do the palm muting. All right, so what I would do is just after that second chorus. All right, that's where I would do it. So that's gonna be the easiest part. Well, the easiest part to do the palm muting. And you can actually do the palm muting in the verses. You can kind of mix this stuff up however you want, but I'm just showing you how I think it sounds best when you're playing it acoustically or by yourself. But it's up to you guys how you can do it. You can mix all this stuff up. You can add things in. Certainly, when you're playing when you're playing the C chord or something, you could just do. So you could do like stuff like that. Now walking to the sun, I calculate what I had done, like jumping from the hot bow, yeah, just to prove that I knew how, yeah. Okay, so you could just do like. You can do a lot of that stuff, okay? You can still do the same chords and pick it. You can do whatever you want. But I just want to show you guys how I think it sounds the best and stuff. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions or other song requests. Thanks for watching, and see me next time.